I'm a big Toy Story fan, and this is a Toy Story themed PC. It got shipped over to us by MSI, who is only doing this as like an exclusive thing in Taiwan. But they made an exception for us because we just love Toy Story. We're kids at heart. If that's also you, you may recognize Sunnyside. Hey, that's a reference to Toy Story 3. Spoiler alert, it's not so sunny of a place until later. Anyway, now I'm not normally the PC building guy on ShortCircuit, but Bell got me to do this one because I said to him that I might cry good tears if he lets me build it. And I don't know why that would incentivize that, but after having a kid in the past few years, I think I've seen all of the movies about 89 times. So I think I can't help but enjoy them. Now, each of the components in the PC are themed after some character or element in the Toy Story movies. That's Emperor Zurg! Oh, I love that guy. It's been a long time since I've done a PC build. I don't know if you might regret this, Bill. This is a power supply. It's the MSI Mag, is that a B or an 8? A850GL? Cybernetics gold, baby. Okay, I can't wait to see the full design of that, but let's take the rest out. Okay, the MSI RTX 5070 Toy Story Edition Gaming Trio. Oh my God. And that's the biggest kid at heart of all. He's even got braces. All right, 5070, oh man. These are heavier than the real toys. MSI Mag Core Liquid. It's a liquid cooler styled after the Claw. I don't know why they're stuck in the Pizza Planet, but that's not canon. So Woody, we need our Woody. There's a snake in my boot, everybody. Don't do that. The MSI Z890 Gaming Plus. And I like this. It's got kind of like leather stylings on the elements there. That's cool. And on the back, we just got a little sassy pose. That's our Woody. All right, there's the components, and now the case. What is it gonna be styled after? I wonder. Oh, it's a box in a box. Here we go. Okay. But the MSI Mag Pano 110R styled. Oh, the claw. The claw. Keep your eyes on the case. Oh, it's the claw's grabbing the case, and then that's a little meta, isn't it? Because it's on the outside. I think the case is grabbing the case. On the other side, though, what do we have? We got. Okay, and the claw's grabbing Zurg and Woody. And hey, those are my friends. This is so much fun. There are like little Easter eggs on all sides here. This is like a Pizza Planet receipt. Eternally grateful for pizza. Now this is a true unboxing experience. Andy probably felt this when unboxing Buzz Lightyear in Toy Story 1. Look at these little badges. Let's look at these. Come here. So we got these cool like metallic magnets. Space Ranger, Woody Sheriff badge. I don't know what this is from. I'm not a real fan. 30th anniversary of Toy Story. Wow, has it been 30 years? Very cool. That's awesome. And the aliens. The moment of truth. What are we? Oh my gosh. Why am I so? Ooh. That looks like the claw machine from Pizza Planet, but here we go. This is the front. Ooh, look at that big window. Whoosh. Wow. I feel like I'm at Pizza Planet. And my little my conscious toys are chasing me, trying to get home. Now, are you sure that I'm the right person for this? I haven't built a PC. I don't remember when I built a PC last.
I can tell you're the right person for this segue to our sponsor.
Pretty good.
Thanks to Wix for sponsoring today's video. You might be doing some back-to-school shopping right about now, but some websites are just a slog to go through. That must mean making a website's pretty hard, right? Wrong! Our sponsor Wix makes things painless with a drag-and-drop interface and AI-powered design tools. Whether you're starting up a new business or modernizing an existing one, your potential customers will appreciate an easy way to see what you and your goods or services are all about. So if you're ready to create your dream website, click our link in the video description to get started today.
Let's get to building. Generally, when you build, you want to put the RAM and the CPU in, and then the cooler. Oh, I'm going through a whole process just like Buzz was. I thought I could fly.
But no, it can't be true.
Okay, I don't remember everything, but I do remember that I am supposed to install the CPU and the RAM at this point in the build process. Now, if you order the Toy Story bundle, it will come with 32 gigs of Kingston Fury DDR5 and an Intel Core Ultra 5 245K, which actually has been one of the criticisms of this build. Some people think that you should get a higher tier CPU for the price of the whole thing, but we don't have a 245K anyway, so we're gonna put in a 265. All right, so I put them in, it says put them here first, so that's helpful. Okay. Cool, RAM's in. Wait, does this look like something? Is this a reference? This might be a reference to something, but I can't tell what it is. It's a horseshoe. It's a Bo Peep's shepherd handle thing. I don't know. Okay. Do you still do this? Does it just pop out? Yes, it does. Everything's fine. Okay, CPU and RAM are in. Now what? The cooler. I am gonna put the power supply in first though. Power supply, Zerg. I will say the beginning of Toy Story 2, where it's very heavily alluding to Star Wars, where Buzz Lightyear's flying through space and it's like a real mission to Emperor Zurg's base. It made me feel things. Speaking of Star Wars, no Buzz, I am your father. And he goes, no! Purple cables. The colors are nice. Dang, powered by Emperor Zurg. It looks like a little GameCube. So we take the side panel off, which I'm sure you can do somehow. Yes, it's gentle. Wow, that's pretty nice. You just pull them straight off, and then there's a screw there, or what is this? There's a single screw there. I almost thought I just had to yank on it, but nope. Let's take that screw out. Okay, that panel comes off. Oh, I didn't even see this before. Look at this. It's just a line. Oh, that's the claw coming down. Oh, what's this? Huh? Oh, there's a hard drive tray down there in the bottom. What is? Oh, it's like a joystick. It's the control stick. It's like the control stick for the claw. Is that what this is supposed to be?
It's magnetic.
Oh, this is the magnet. Like on the front like that?
Yeah.
We'll figure it out. We'll do that later. Okay, let's put in the power supply. I probably should stand the PC up. These are the power supply screws. I remember. It's still an amazing movie. Tom Hanks was truly unhinged. I love how Tom Hanks and Tim Allen are just Tim Allen is so believable as that character, and Tom Hanks is like a crazy person. You think about Woody as one of the main characters of the franchise, but in the first movie he's basically the villain. He's trying to undermine Buzz the entire time. And then what does he learn? I forget. Oh, he learns that, hey, sometimes you don't have to be number one. Sometimes you can let someone else take the spotlight. And then they're both Andy's favorite toy. But what if Andy actually threw Woody in the trash? Then everything he did would be justified. Something to think about. All right, I'm just taking this out just to see it. I just want to see. Oh, wow. I just want to see. Oh man, this thing's big. Whoa, that's so cool. To infinity and beyond. You know, okay, the nostalgia is cool, but there's a part of me that is I'm not 12 years old. Why is this? I see a graphics like this and it looks like Toy Story, but it also makes me think this is a child's toy. And I'm getting excited about it. We got this translucent shroud on the top here. It goes from being opaque, like metallic, into this like translucent thing in the middle. That's nice. Next up, we're gonna see if the little green man cooler fits in there. I'm sure it does. But that's the next step. That's what you always do that when you build a PC. That's cool. I have been chosen. Farewell, my friends. I go on to a better place. Ooh. We're gonna put the back plate on. We're going fast. We're doing it. This is nice, actually. Since the last time I built a PC, this wasn't normal to have like adhesive on the back plate. So this is gonna keep it in place so I can flip it over and not have to like hold it with two hands. That's nice. Now I gotta see if where I want this to be. Probably on the top, right? Oh God, do you do the motherboard first? You do the motherboard first.
I think so.
Get in there. It's nice and slow. I haven't done nearly enough of a Randy Newman impression in this video so far.
You got a PC in me.
You got a new PC.
No, you got a new PC.
Got lots of parts and a CPU.
And a GPU.
Oh.
There isn't anything I wouldn't install for you. Put it together and see it through. Yeah, you got a new PC.
Okay, now I plug in the cables. This is not safe. Don't do this. Don't do it this way. Not like this. Huh? Okay.
This is so cool.
I know, right? Well, now you're gonna get Linus's reaction to the Toy Story. I know,
How did I not know about this?
You don't like Toy Story?
What are you talking about? I paid $800 for a Buzz Lightyear doll. Dude!
I did not pay. Oh, see, here we go.
The claw.
No, I already did all that line. I already did that.
You probably did the voice better too.
Well, actually, that was pretty good. I think that was better. He's lost for words.
Who would be, this has all got to be like limited edition stuff, right?
It's a limited edition bundle. It's only available in Taiwan. Because I didn't even say this earlier. It's because Buzz Lightyear, when he flips open his communicator thing, it says made in Taiwan.
God, the motherboard is Woody.
He's having a moment.
This is so cool.
You are a sad, strange little man. And you have my pity.
You are a toy. It says Andy when you open the GPU.
Oh, or you just...
All right, have fun, boys.
Okay. We need thermal paste. Okay. Line it up. Okay, all of the cables are plugged in, I think. And it's time for that GPU. Oh! I just remembered. Around the time when they were releasing Toy Story 4, they put out a bunch of these like Toy Story shorts, and one of them was about Bonnie going to her friend's house to play, and the kid has all of these like this sick set. He has every single unit in this set of toys called Battle Sores. I can't believe they didn't incorporate it into any of the movies because they're so cool and I want the toys in real life. And they have a sick theme song. Battle Sores! It's really good. Look it up. Anyway, time. It's time for the GPU to enter. Star command. Get permission to dock. But here we are. Oh, I have to take the thing out. I have to take these out. I want there to be a cam on the people watching this video, like the actual PC building people. Every time I like almost made a mistake. As I'm like about to go, they're like, no, 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 no. In we go. To infinity. And in the slot. Yes, docking procedure complete. I'm such a dork. We're just gonna squeeze this. Uh-oh. I might have to do a bit of, hey. All right, it looks good to me. Joystick on this side. And this, yeah. That worked. Start. Woo! Okay. Beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. Look at this. There's like a little badge on the side that lights up. So this Toy Story themed PC bundle from MSI goes for around $2,700 US, but it's only available in Taiwan, and there's only 500 of them, so you probably can't get it. But if you do manage to get your hands on it in Taiwan, it also comes with Toy Story figures apparently that we also didn't get. But look, that's not important. What was important is the experience, and I had a great time learning how to build a PC again. Oh, there is a peel on the inside. I didn't take off. Subscribe to ShortCircuit.